nice and slow, take a breath, here we go. Numbers growing one by one, learning slowly, having fun. 1 is fun, standing tall. 2 says hi to one and all. 3 jumps slow, up and down. 4 claps gently with a happy sound. 5 spins softly round and round. 6 hops lightly off the ground. 7 giggles soft and sweet. 8 rolls slowly like gentle feet. 9 waves kindly side to side. 10 stands proud with a smile so wide. 11 shines calm and bright. 12 sparkles softly in the light. 13 floats slowly in the starry sky. 14 swims quietly with fish drifting by. 15 smiles warm in fields of green. 16 builds blocks in a peaceful scene. 17 floats upward with soft balloons. 18 has a party with gentle tunes. 19 glows softly, magic in the air. 20 rests calmly by the beach so fair. Count nice and slow with me. Numbers from 1 to 20. Breathe in, breathe out, sing along. Learning slow helps make you strong. You did it, every number true. 1 to 20, all the way through. Come back soon and sing once more. Learning slowly, we'll explore. Let's learn nice and slow, take a breath, here we go. Shapes for you, shapes for me, learning slowly, easily. Circle is round, calm and sweet. Squares for sight, steady and neat. Triangle points up to the sky. Rectangle stands tall and wide. Oval is smooth, soft like a hug. Star shines bright like a sleepy bug. Heart shows love, warm and true. Diamond sparkles just for you. Pentagon has 5 gentle sides. Hexagon is 6, count them with pride. Octagon is 8, strong and straight. Crescent curves softly, feels so great. Shapes, shapes, slow and kind. Learning gently with your mind. Circles, stars, triangles too. Soft, slow shapes just for you. You did it. Shapes all through. Big ones, small ones, everyone you knew. Come back soon, we'll learn some more. Slow and gentle like before.